Hi, I'm Dr. Nick Neneman with Neneman Chiropractic Clinic, and thanks for tuning in today for this week's video blog. One topic that I've touched on previously is a postural condition known as anterior head carriage. And to explain what that is, again, it's when the person from months, years of chronic poor posture, it's where their head has gone forward. When you look at them from the side, their head should sit kind of over their shoulders, but when you look at them, their head's gone forward. That's a condition called anterior head carriage. Most people, even though it's abnormal, it's very common. Most people have it, unfortunately, to some degree. Whether people realize it or not, a lot of people have it. Some people's the condition's real extreme, and other people it's real minor. But what I want to go over today are some exercises you can do that will help build the right muscles to kind of help hold your head in a better posture. So again, this condition is called anterior head carriage. Anterior meaning the head's moved forward. So the way to combat that is to do posterior translation exercises. Posterior meaning backwards, and translation means is sliding like in a straight line. So basically we want to slide the head in a straight line backwards in the exercise. And again, that will help combat that forward movement of the head. When this exercise is done regularly, over time you can slowly improve the posture of your neck. Because that anterior head carriage, as I've talked about previously, it causes abnormal biomechanics in the neck. So it puts increased pressure on the joint, the disc, the muscles, the tendons, the nerves. Puts increased pressure on everything. It causes headaches. So by doing these posterior translation exercises, you can really take a lot of stress off a lot of the structures in your neck, and you'll see an improvement in the way your neck feels. Maybe you have less headaches. Again, it's taking pressure off the disc, the nerve. So to do these exercises, and I'm going to demonstrate them for you here in a minute, but the easiest way to do it at home without any kind of equipment or machines or anything like that is just to lay on your stomach. And I usually tell the patient to lay on the bed with their head kind of over the end of the bed. And when you do this exercise, you're literally going to be moving your head in a backwards motion. The biggest thing that I tell people when they do this is it's not an extension exercise. So it's not, that's extension. It's translation. So again, the head moves in a straight line. It's not an extension like this. The key thing, the thing to remember when you do these is to keep your chin tucked in. You'll know you're doing it right if your chin's tucked in, because if you're extending, that chin's going to come out. So by keeping it in, you're going to know that you're doing this properly. So I'm going to demonstrate them here on the table, on my chiropractic table. Again, you can do it perfectly fine on the edge of your bed at home. So I'll show you how to do these. All right, we're going to go ahead and do these exercises here. So I'm laying off the edge of the table. My head's off the edge. And I'm going to move my head backwards or posterior in a straight line, keeping my chin tucked. So there you have it. You just watched me do a set of 10 posterior translation exercises. Again, you saw me keeping the chin tucked and moving my head straight backwards up in a straight line with no extension. After doing one set of 10, I can already feel it in the muscles in a good way. So, I tell patients, you can do 3 sets of these, 3 sets of 10 reps or 12 reps. Do a set of 10 or 12 reps, rest for a minute. Do another set of 10 or 12 reps, rest for a minute, and then do a third set, 10 or 12 reps, rest for a minute. And honestly, if you do this, every day, every other day, after so many months, you'll start seeing an improvement in your posture and the alignment of your neck. It can help put more proper lordotic curvature into the neck. So, hope this was helpful. Try it at home. Go to the edge of your bed, hang the head off. and just take the head forward and then straight back, and really work on bringing it straight back. You'll see an improvement in your posture. Thank you, and have a great rest of the week.